This is the first in a series of videos that are going to go over how the Behringer wing is set up and how we can use it at EBC. This first video is going to be covering the surface of it, starting with this section here. So this is the left section, we've got the center section, and then we've got the right section over here. And these are groups of faders. In the left section, we've got these banks of digital recall faders. So 1 through 12, 13 through 24, 25 through 36, 37 through 40, and then we've got aux 1 through 8. Bus masters, user 1, which we're going to talk about later, and then user 2. In the center section, we've got DCAs, main matrices, aux in, so the aux 1 through 8 again, bus masters again, user 1 and user 2. And then on the right section, we've got similar things starting with main matrix, DCAs, inputs, aux in, bus master, user 1, and user 2. So this section, the left section is 12, center section is 8, right section is 4. At the top here, we've got this screen, and we're going to have a video that goes a little bit more in detail about that. But the screen has these capacitor sensitive knobs, and it's also got these buttons on the side for a menu for what is going to show on the screen. Up here in the top left corner, we've got our talkback levels, our phone levels, headphone levels for putting the headphones on and listening. And then you can turn on and off our talkback, which is going to be this microphone right here. That's how the band will hear through their in-ears if you need to tell them something. You press that button and you can talk into the microphone, turn it off, and they can't hear you anymore. Right here, we've got custom controls. This has different banks of controls, so up to 16 banks of 8 buttons and 4 knobs. We only use really one here, which is fader routing, and sometimes we'll use this main alt button, which changes the inputs of the board from our main inputs to alternate inputs for recording. So fader routing is what we're going to use there. Then we've got the faders, which everybody should know about, and mute buttons on every channel. We've got solo, so you can listen to specific channels individually, and you can solo multiple. And then also the select button. If you need to edit a channel, you make sure that you've selected that. So that's the basics of the full surface area of this soundboard.